stop. Right now you're about to spend the next 8 minutes learning something that will change your life forever. I just failed the most important exam of my life. Studied 6 hours a day for 2 weeks straight. And you know what? I remembered nothing. Until 3 months later, I discovered the secret that Harvard, Stanford, and MIT students use. Now I learn in 45 minutes what used to take me 6 hours. And you're about to learn how. But listen up. If you leave before the end, you'll miss the most powerful hack I've saved for last. It's illegally effective. Let's go. Here's what nobody tells you. 92% of students study wrong. They open their notes, read, reread, and after 2 days they remember less than 10%. You know why? Because your brain is a lazy ass. It's programmed to save energy. When you just read, it's asleep. But there are 6 triggers that activate its turbo mode, and I'm about to show you every single one. But first, a story. My friend Max was failing, getting D's and F's. His parents threatened to kick him out. He tried the first hack from this video. 1 month later, scored 92 on his exam. 6 months later, got into a top university. What did he do? Watch carefully. Hack number 1, the artificial panic law. Here's an experiment. Open your timer, set it for 25 minutes, and tell yourself, either I learn this topic in 25 minutes, or I don't learn it at all. What happens? Your brain switches to, oh crap, it's on fire mode. That same mode when you do in 1 hour what you've been putting off for a week. This works because of Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. Give it 3 hours, you'll stretch it to 3 hours. Give it 25 minutes, you'll fit it into 25. Try it right now. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Choose one topic. Tell yourself, only this, only now. Go. After, take a 5-minute break. Scroll your phone without guilt. But wait, this is just the beginning. Hack number 2, the lazy genius rule. Secret, you don't need to study everything. 80% of your grade depends on 20% of the material. Here's what smart students do. Find last year's exams. Look at which topics repeat every year. Forget the rest. Yeah, seriously. Real life story. I was preparing for a biology exam. 400 pages in the textbook. I found 5 past exams. 70% of questions were about 4 topics. I only studied those. Result? 89 out of 100. Stop right now. Go find past exams. Spend 3 minutes. This will save you 30 hours. But the third hack? It's the craziest one. Hack number 3, explain it to your drunk friend. Einstein said, if you can't explain it to a child, you don't understand it yourself. Here's your new superpower. After studying a topic, close all materials. Turn on your phone camera. Explain the topic like your friend knows absolutely nothing. Use memes, jokes, analogies, because your brain can't explain what it doesn't understand. When you stumble on a word, you found a gap in your knowledge. Real challenge, try explaining quantum physics to your grandma. If she gets it, you're a genius. Cool trick. After explaining, post the video to your story with the caption, check if I got this right. Why is this powerful? Public accountability. Fear of screwing up equals super focus. Friends will correct mistakes, but the fourth hack, it's borderline cheating. Hack number 4, test before studying. This sounds insane, but listen. Harvard research proved that if you take a test before studying the material, you remember 67% more. Yes, you'll fail the test. And that's the point. Your brain works like GPS. Without a destination, it wanders aimlessly. With a destination, it finds the shortest route. When you take the test first, your brain sees what you don't know. A knowledge gap is created. Your brain becomes obsessed with filling that gap. You learn 3 times faster. Right now, find a test on your topic. Try to answer without opening the textbook. Mark all mistakes. Now study only what you got wrong. Result? You'll remember in 1 hour what normally takes 4. I tried this for a programming exam. First wrote code, everything broke, then studied. In one night I learned what others studied for a month. But there's one last hack, the most powerful. And I'm pretty sure your teacher doesn't want you to know this. Hack number 5, the honor student's dirty secret. Honor students don't study more, they use the active recall method. Instead of reading, close the book and recall. Read a paragraph, close the textbook, take a blank sheet, write everything you remember. Don't remember something? These are your weak points. Reread only those. Repeat the process. Research shows this is 10 times more effective than rereading because the brain remembers what's hard to recall. Bonus mode, the memory wave method. Recall after 1 hour. Recall after 1 day. Recall after 1 week. After the third wave, information is in your brain forever. Okay, last thing. Most important, your brain doesn't save information until you sleep. Real fact. 1 sleepless night equals minus 40% memory. Here's what to do. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Non-negotiable. A 10-minute walk after studying doubles retention. Study before bed. Your brain will process it overnight. That's it. You've got the formula. 25-minute sprints. The 20-80 rule. Explain to a friend. Test before studying. Active recall. Sleep equals superpower. Your challenge. Try all 6 hacks next week. Comment in 7 days what changed. I promise I'll reply to everyone. Look, most people will watch this video and do nothing, but you're not most people. You made it to the end, you have the tools. Now the question is, will you just watch or will you do it? The choice is yours. See you in the comments, genius. Let's go.